Welcome to day 2 of 7 days of twerk. My name is Lily Jasmine and today I'm going to teach you how to double bounce up. But as always, we're first going to do our leg workout, and these 7 days it is our lunges, so it's actually quite easy because we can switch our legs halfway through. But try to keep your balance, make sure that your back knee goes all the way down and that your front knee does not pass your toes, or actually keep it above your ankle if you can to make it a little bit more heavy. And try to squeeze your glutes every time that you're down. And once we are at 25, we are going to switch, and we're already at 15, so only 10 more to go on this leg. You can do it, and hard work pays off, so keep going. Nice. Only 5. Keep breathing. You can do it. I'm so happy that you decided to join me again on these 7 days of twerk workouts. Okay, switch your legs. And go straight into it. I don't know why I'm doing this with my hands. It's like, to become zen. Look at me losing my balance. Keep going. It's always a good idea to start with your weaker leg, which I didn't do, obviously. And then the second round is already harder, and then when you have your stronger leg, it's a little bit less hard. But I forgot about that today. I hope you didn't. Keep breathing. Keep going. We're almost there. I know you can do this. Only 5 to go, if I counted correctly, but by this time you should know that my counting while talking and doing something other than, I don't know, twerking, squatting, whatever, is not my best. So 2 to go, and last one. Oh, good fucking job. Not sure if I can use words like that on YouTube. Okay, now I have a mirror. So I'm gonna talk to myself while I do my affirmations. If you have a mirror close by, then hop over there and repeat while looking yourself in the eye. You can place your hand on your heart, the other one on your belly, just to breathe with me for a second. Breathe in and out. In and out. Yes. Now look yourself in the eye, and I know this can be a little bit scary if you haven't tried it before. Look yourself in the eye and repeat after me. I'm gorgeous. I'm an amazing soul, and I am sexy as hell. I'm gorgeous. I'm an amazing soul, and I am sexy as hell. I'm gorgeous. I'm an amazing soul, and I'm sexy as hell. Now smile at yourself. I always make peace signs, which I don't know why I do that, but okay, now come to the floor with me. Play some music if you want. I'm not gonna play any music due to copyrights, you know the drill. And I'm gonna teach you how to bounce up. So make sure that your toes are pointed straight forward, and your legs should be a little bit further than hip distance apart. This is just the basics that I'm explaining here. Then you come down into a squatted position, so make sure that your knees are not like this, but keep your knees above your feet, and make sure to arch your back. So don't stand like this, really pop that booty up. And what we're now gonna do is a variation of our basic twerk up. So up is, we do that by coming up a little bit in our legs and squeezing our lower back and popping our booty up. Now what we're gonna do a double up. So we start with a little up, we go a little bit down, and we pop it up again. So do it with me. Up, down, up, and again. Up, down, up last time, and up, down, up. Now we are going to speed it up a little bit, shake out your legs, and then we're gonna go for 4. So So come down, 5, 6, 7, 8, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. I hope that went well. If you need a little break, that's okay. Pause the video. Damn, talking. Pause the video and come back once your legs have stopped burning, but do challenge yourself and continue with me if you want. We're gonna do 8 now, and then afterwards, so a little bit faster than the previous one, and then afterwards we're gonna do 20. And I know it's gonna burn. You can play your favorite song just to distract yourself, but make sure to finish the 20. But first, our 8 a little bit faster than we did just now. 5, 6, 7, 8, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Yes, and while you do this, try to keep your upper body straight. So I know that a lot of people do this as well, which is cute, but in this case, I want you to stand up straight and just isolate the booty. Okay, now get ready. We're gonna do 20. Play your song and turn off your brain and let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, down, 2, down, 3, 4, 5, keep going, 6, 7, 8, 9, and halfway, and 11, keep going, 12, 13, come on, 14, 15, 16, almost there, 17, 18, come on, 19, last one, 20. My legs are burning. Okay, shake it off. You made it through day 2. I'm so proud of you, and I hope to see you again tomorrow for day 3 of our 7 days of twerk in July.